Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we're going to take multiple yellow and red strip of paper. Now we're going to put them together at the center and we're going to use stapler and pin it from all its four sides. And finally we're going to put it at the center and it's ready. We're going to make these beautiful butterfly rings. So let's get started. Here we're going to take this red strip of paper, fold it into half. Now we're going to tuck the paper inside from the center part and then pull it downwards. We're making the wings of the butterfly. Again fold it like this and we're going to make a mini strip. Now we're going to roll it and make a ring, and look, it is ready. We are going to use different color of paper. You can also make it using one single color. First we are going to fold this pink color of paper. Now we are going to make 8 such pieces and tuck all of them one after another at the center, and we're going to give it a shape of ring. After this we are going to press it gently and then tuck the paper inside from the center part as well and secure it, and look, it is ready. Let's make this fun spinning heart craft. Let's get started. Here we're going to take this red color of paper, fold it and cut it into half. Now take one piece and tuck the paper inside, make the triangular shape. Now we're going to fold it like this. Here we're going to make the cone. So yeah, we're going to tuck the paper inside and look, it's ready. Keep it aside. Let's make the heart. So we're going to take another piece of the paper and then multiple fold like we're doing here. Flip it and then your heart is ready. Now we're going to press it from the top and look, your spinning heart is ready. We're going to make this beautiful container using craft paper. You can put so many items inside. So take a printed paper, make multiple fold from the sides. Now we're going to press it and make a box like this. After this we're going to fold it from the top and give it shape of this heart. Now we're going to make more such shapes and paste all of them together, and it's done. So take this paper, make multiple fold from the corner, pull it downwards. Now we are going to press it, make a cut and make 3 such boxes. Finally, we are going to tuck all of them together, close it from the top as well, and look, your tissue paper box is ready, decorated with stickers. Here we're going to take this square paper, fold it from the diagonals, press it. After this we're going to fold it from the sides. Now we're going to flip the paper, fold it and tuck the paper inside. After making the crease we're going to open the paper. Now we're going to fold it from the corner and pull the paper downward, and look, your circular container is ready. Take this printed paper, fold it into half. Now we are going to fold it from the bottom part. Let's make the arrow now. So fold it and make this triangular shape. Tuck the paper inside and look, your bookmark is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.